Hi there, welcome to my lecture. In this lecture, I am going to explain about variables in C++. A variable is a name which is associated with a value that you can change. For example, when I write into number 20, the variable name is number which is associated with value 20. In int in a data type data that represent that this variable can hold integer values, local variables. In our move towards writing an application that actually does something, getting output on the screen is a start, but usually useful application. They calculate things for you. They help you to perform some business function, and in order to do that they are going to use that I call local variables. I will explain the opposite of local later. Now variables in C++, they are to hold information for you, and a given variables hold only one particular type of information. So you might have a variable that's for holding a string like the hello that you saw in the earlier demo. You might have a variable that's for holding a number or a data or something that's the inventors of language never thought of, like employer, insurance, policy, nuclear, reactor. So there are types that are built into the language, like for holding integer, and type that are user defined. And user defined type is an official process in the C++ specification, and you have to understand that some of the user who define type are not you. They are the people who wrote the standard library. C out is the console out object that I was writing to of something of a user defined type, that but the user wrote the stream library, not use. So a couple of rules. You must declare a variable before you use it. You cannot just wander around and start putting a value into something called x. You first have uh, to say, "Hi, compiler, I am planning to use a thing called x," and the reason for that is because you need to tell the compiler what x is going to be for. It's going to be for string, or list going to be for numbers, or it going to be for the dates. In general, the built-in types are not initialized for you, and the user defined type might be or might not be. Now you can show the demo. Here you can look many types of the sum, like 100 plus 50, semi 1 plus 250, semi 1 plus sum, sum 1 plus sum 2. Then count sum 1, sum 2 and sum 3. Let's create another example. First, you can see variables declaration, where you can see external integer a, b, and c. Then float f. Next, you can also loop variables definition and actually initialization. That is all my lecture. Thanks for watching.